Alright guys, so I'm actually on call tonight, but it is day 3, and even though I'm back at just after 2:30 in the morning from surgery, got to do my workout. So here we go. No excuses. If I can do this at 2:30 in the morning and on call, then anyone can do it. So let's get this done. Gotta get the just the shoulders right. Okay. Now triceps. When you're doing those straight after press, it goes a lot quicker. Probably, maybe I trip those or switch those up with some of the other ones and just let your triceps rest a bit and then go after it. I'm tired. Should do the split squats again. And that's it, done. So even though it's now 2:40 in the morning and I've actually got to go back in to the hospital to check on a kid, I've done my workout for today. I'm gonna finish off with protein shake with just the beef isolate and collagen powder because I don't have time to eat, and then I'll get to the hospital and hopefully won't have a problem with this kid, and then I'll be able to hopefully get a nap before I have to do it all again tomorrow. So that's how quick it is, guys. It's just, you bang it out and you're done. One thought on the Equip protein shakes: because they don't have artificial sweeteners, you're not gonna get that horrendous protein gas that normally people get. People, call them like, protein gas with protein farts or whatever. That's not from protein. That is from the artificial sweeteners they put in protein. So if you don't want that, don't eat or stuff with artificial sweeteners, because it's not the protein, it's the sweeteners, and that stuff is rancid, and that is why it smells rancid. All right, pro tip. See ya.